Hi everyone, this is Justin Aquino of Gaming Brain, and we are checking out the latest update of Meme World Generator December 10, 2025. Okay, so let's create a new world. Quick generate, next. Let it roll procedurally for all the things. Okay, it's a star. Let's name the star. Star name. Star 7, I guess. Uh, Configure primary parameter, press R for random generation. Oh wow. Okay, no, we'll go with Earth-like star. So Earth-like star is the most habitable star type. Um, well, it's rarer than the other stars here, K and M. I think F. Sorry, K and M. So let's go. Primary star. Yeah, this is the tech level 8.5. We can change it. We can change it as habitability. Uh, Good. Dishes with minor challenges. Governance. Zone. Habitable zone. Oh, we can have a companion. Wow. Okay. That's not going to be a stable orbit. I mean, in the life cycle of a star. But we can always no. Let's go for let's go for let's skip the binary star. But note that a third of all the stars are multi-star systems. More than a third. Forgot. Okay. uh Terrestrial. Um, Terrestrial star. We can re-roll. Of course. Ooh, wow. Earth-like. Very Earth-like. Almost same mass as Earth, like Venus, basically. Um, yeah, let's change it. Let's call this Hella. Um, okay, next would be the we will start making the generating the culture. We can roll the d6 or we can manually select. Of course, we can always roll, change, aesthetic, shipbuilding, purist. Okay, let's see. Uh, Select atmospheric pressure. So we can roll everything. So it's temperate. Ooh, minor inconvenience. So the high hazard is seismic, very active geological. For minimal organic compounds. For okay, there's so yeah, just document this. Let's roll again. Moderate, some organic, moderate. Okay, minor. So we can roll for none. No environmental hazard. Yeah. So there's a rule for environmental hazard. So radiation, seismic. Okay. So it's pretty good. So it can support a much larger population. Habitability determines the number of uh, the population scale. Is it in the billions? Is it in the millions? Is it in the hundreds of millions? So if you look at it, it is 16 billion. Wow. Um, yeah. Um, when you have sufficiently advanced technology and you have cloning and you have life expectancy with anagatics, it's possible. Or you can reduce it. You can make it 100, 1.6 generate. So this is the wealth. Ooh, wealthy. Okay. But of course, wealth is not distributed equally. That's just the average. And remember, the ultra rich skew the statistics. Oh, the HDR is just like the Philippines. So it's like imagine Indonesia, which is huge with its 200 plus million, or Nigeria. So the base is call this 6. And then of course you can choose amber zone classification, political purging. Wow. So yeah, you can choose that. Let's just yeah, let's put that. Let's make it interesting. Next. Uh, okay, generate starport. There's a scout base. Yeah. Habitability -1, tech level. Uh, Ports value 9, despite the fact that it makes ships. It could be, well, this non-interstellar ships, because it might come from a very rich star system. Okay, let's. So this is a much improvement over if you saw the previous one. It's much improved. So yeah, habitable zone is the best position. So you can just change the position if needed. Of course, it lowers habitability, and we are focusing on uh, the most habitable world. So typically, the primary world's most habitable world, or it could be yeah. Okay, so here is the we can add disks later on, circumstellar disks, where or discrete yeah, like the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. Okay, let's save. Okay, so we have two star systems. So I already made another one and I exported it. So you can see like this is the export, and you can import it in case you want to play around with it again. So yeah, the purpose of this is to be able to quickly generate this. So this is based on our book, New World Generator, so that people can generate. So the book focuses on the science of it, but of course, you might not want to uh, dwell in that. So you might just want to get into generating worlds. So you can do that. This art is produced in the Blender file here. We have a procedural world generator inside the app. Inside the book, you buy it, you get the blend file, you can download it and run it. There's tutorials um, for everything. Um, call this. You can also produce this. Call this. I call this 20-sided map. And then of course this is the original version of it where it's just a spreadsheet. And of course, we go through the spreadsheet and how to use it now. But once the app is fully running, call this, you can you wouldn't have to use a spreadsheet anymore, and it's meant to make it more accessible to people. Not everyone wants a spreadsheet. Okay, so how would you use this app later on? Maybe if you're interested in, so Near Space is one of my favorite uh, books made by the Stella Gamma Publishing Group. It's all the nearby stars. So yeah, I'm just gonna give an overview. Like it's a great star map, and you might not be happy, or you might want to do more than the specs here. What's so special about Meme World Generator is you detail the star system, that you have a lot of places to go and a lot of things to do. Our solar system where Earth is has a lot of things going on, just the star system. So imagine having another star system with that many people. Okay, so that's the thing. Oh yeah, disclaimer: the population is for the star system, the entire star system. The 16 billion might not just be in that world; it can be spread out in the entire star system. Okay, so yeah, Near Space is a great place to use. So it's a great product. It's free. It's pay what you want, but I recommend sending money their way to continue creating such products. And then what you call this? So if you want something more 3D, I recommend Universe Sandbox. If you get Universe Sandbox, you actually don't need my product anymore. But still, this is a great product. Um, call this. You might want to open an existing simulation, particularly 100 stars, nearest 100 stars. And this is our sun. Middle mouse button to look and find the nearest stars to us. Call this actually this map is old, so there's some new ones. Call this. You'll find it in our product, 2 parsecs from Sol. Call this. So yeah, if you want something 3D, you might check out call this Universe Sandbox. And as our solar system is as densely populated and as detailed and amazing, and all these things you can do with it and explore in it. Example, just Jupiter itself with its hundreds of moons um, is already its own setting. So you can so imagine another star system like Alpha Centauri, which has 2 stars the size of our own star. You can imagine that another busy star system exists there. Just one of the closest star systems, 2 parsecs from us. One I'll call this merchant uh, jump away. So yeah, uh, call this. So yeah, hopefully you guys check it out and um, uh, call this. I hope you guys have a good day and take care.